Fagiolini con pesto alla menta. A bowl of tossed, delicious string beans. But first we have to cook them. Just in boiling water, we'll let it cook. You know what? I bet most of you say, string beans. Not so excited about it. But once I show you this recipe, you'll be very excited and your family will love it. So we have those cooking, and it's very simple. And we will make a pesto. Now, you know, pesto is kind of a magical world. It's a world in Italy, in the kitchen, that kind of dresses a multitude of things. Pasta, you can put pesto in soup. You certainly can use it to dress vegetables. Maybe vegetables that you didn't think had so much flavor. This pesto could go very well on steamed broccoli, steamed cauliflower, zucchini, and so on with the vegetables. And even the pesto can vary. Here I have mint. I'll put in some mint leaves, parsley. The smell is already delicioso. Pine nuts. Pine nuts give it a flavor, but also give it a creaminess. You know, nuts, when you kind of mix them into pesto, gives it that creaminess. A little bit of salt, oil. Okay. Okay. So I'm looking at it. It has a little bit of white spots, which is the pine nuts that are not fully kind of chopped up. And that's good because you like a little crunch. So leave it a little crunchy like this. This is done. Let me check on the string beans. Okay. Just about maybe a few more minutes. A few more minutes. I will drain them, let them cool, and then we'll dress them. Green beans, string beans, readily available the whole summer into the fall and sometimes even year-round. And they come all different shapes, colors, yellow, green, flat. And I love them because they're very versatile. But the question is, you know, how do you dress them up besides just butter or whatever? Many ways. You can make a nice mint pesto and just toss them. It gives them right another direction. Sometimes I toss them with onions and boiled potatoes. That's another direction. There's an endless repertoire that you can make with string beans. Just have fun with it. So the string beans are at room temperature, ready to be dressed. And I kind of like them like that. I like this salad at room temperature. So we have the pesto. I'm looking here, it just needs maybe a little bit more oil and maybe a little bit more salt. So just a little bit more and just toss it. Now you see, this is beautiful and it's going to be delicious as is, but you can see that you can put in here maybe little cherry tomatoes. Why not? You can put in here the little pieces of mozzarella and this could make a great antipasto. Okay, so I think a little bit of grated cheese. And the cheese you put on the last minute because you don't want it to be all soaked. You want to see these little white specks, just like that. And this is a great kind of center of the table salad if you have a great barbecue. This makes a great center of the table vegetable. You know, I don't like to waste a morsel of food. That's something Grandma taught me way back. So, here we are. I have some more toasted pignoli nuts. I'm gonna taste one with the cheese, just like that. The string beans are sweet. There's the nuttiness, there's the freshness of the mint, the richness of the cheese. Not too many ingredients, looks very simple, but it's really delicious and complex.
To learn more about Lidia, access to videos, and to get recipes, tips, techniques, and much more, visit us online at lidiasitaly.com.